ఇంక్లాబ్ టీవీ ప్రైమ్ టైమ్ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. కేంద్ర పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి శ్రీకాకుళం ఎంపీ కింజరాపు రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు విజయనగరం జిల్లా భోగాపురంలో నిర్మితమవుతున్న ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ పనులను పరిశీలించారు. అనంతరం అక్కడే జిఎంఆర్ ప్రతినిధులు కలెక్టర్ తో చర్చలు జరిపారు. రన్వే పనులు, కాక్పిట్ స్థలం, ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ పనులను సమర్థవంతంగా పూర్తి చేయాలని కేంద్ర పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు సూచనలు చేశారు.
Your guess is also almost like ఇప్పుడు 40 lakhs కదా per year ki if you the first year of operation 4 million close to 5 million we are expecting. Now it is only 2.8 Vizag airport. Almost to the extent of we are expecting it to double immediately in the first year of operation.
First full year of operation.
So when that much amount of traffic is footfall is being there in this area, imagine how much economical growth can happen. So the intention is as early as possible if you can start that economic growth, you can get the benefits.
Absolutely. Deputy Managing Director Ibrahim joined in this one, sir.
Okay. Yes. Delhi Monday.
Sir, anything you want to say, sir?
Sir, I think you've gone through the entire project. Just we are trying to our best to make it as fast as possible. So last time also you told that let us make it as quick as possible. We are working out, sir. I think you've seen the project.
Yes.
About 32% we have almost completed. Putting all our efforts to do that. I am closely monitoring the project, sir. And second thing also, as we discussed also, sir, every design has been taken international standards. And also parallelly vetting by the IIT Chennai, sir. All the drawings have been validated. These have been practiced for us for last 10 years. It's happening, sir. Absolutely. Every design drawing has been certified by them.
Now we are doing 3 airports, sir. We are handling Delhi, Hyderabad and Goa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are doing. Once this is completed, out of DMR 4 airports, best airport should be this one only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is somehow the target given by our chairman also.
Yes.
Because of obvious reasons. Because of obvious reasons.
Now look how God has also planned it. Civil aviation minister from this area. Construction also from this area. Everything is previous origin of the concept also happened from here only. When Ashok Gajpati was started at 2015 it started.
Both Rao sir and Kishore sir are from this.
Yes, everyone is there. So.
ఇంక్లాబ్ టీవీ వీడియోలు మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా వీడియోలు మీరు వెంటనే చూడాలనుకుంటే కింద ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ని గట్టిగా కొట్టండి.